All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. This coin is up a little bit right this second, but we're going to be talking about the Super Bowl commercials that are coming up next Sunday. They're going to be all over the air. They're also saying, is this a Super Bowl or a crypto bowl? Crypto.com versus FTX. We're going to kind of talk about that. We got all kinds of stuff to talk about Crypto.com and all these commercials with the Super Bowl. This is going to be big because they're saying, well, I don't want to steal the punch yet. We'll come back to that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's go ahead and head over to crypto.com. We're also going to go to Crypto Bubbles and have it bounce around a little bit and going to check out some things. Here we go. All right, crypto.com, number 16 on CoinMarketCap, up 4% for the week, but up 5% for the day. 45 cents right now. Clicking it. We'll do a price prediction when we're done today. Up 5% for the day. Fantastic. Taking a look at the 24 hours here, how it's going up and going up. It was at 42 cents. It's at 45 right now. Taking a look at the 7 days. 7 days, it was all the way down here to 39 cents. 39 cents was the low, and it's up at 45 cents. So that's fantastic right there. Well, how is this coin going to grow? Let's check it out here. Crypto.com buys an ad space for the Super Bowl 2022 and its latest major business move of the year. All right, so it says Crypto.com has just paid $6 million for a 30-second commercial in the Super Bowl. Crypto.com isn't stopping. It's expanding inside the United States and has decided to close its year out with a major publicity stunt. Third largest exchange in the ecosystem, according to CoinGecko, has a privileged space on the U.S. TV screens in 2 months and has purchased advertisements in the renowned Super Bowl, the country's most important American football competition, held in February. Yeah, this is the most watched everything for the year. All right, the Super Bowl is just one more step closer for Crypto.com. There's no concrete information on how much Crypto.com paid for an ad space, but according to the information, the Wall Street Journal is selling a 30-second ad for around $6.5 million. $1 million more than what the asking cost was for last year. But that is not as much. Look at what it did. Crypto.com paid $700 million for the naming rights of the Staples Center back in November here. The name is officially now the LA Lakers Basketball Crypto.com Arena. Previously, FTX bought the naming rights from the Miami Heat. Now that's what they're talking about, FTX and Crypto.com. Crypto.com buys an ad space. Well, I think both of these cryptos, FTX and Crypto.com, is getting ready to go up because, again, the Super Bowl is the most watched thing of the year. And what does this commercial say here with this thing that we're going to read? Hey, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. This is big, guys. Next one, Super Bowl, or should we call it Crypto Bowl? So right here, we got Crypto.com, we got FTX. So it says, well, it's almost a Super Bowl season, and America is gearing up for this amazing playoff. However, this year's Super Bowl is a kick of the crypto sauce. We are aware of the runs between the Super Bowl. There's gained incredible attention for the whole nation. NBC has sold advertisements for the upcoming Super Bowl. Now, this is actually higher. 30-second spot for $7 million. A 27% increase from last year. Now, here's the kicker. Listen to this. 43% of this year's marketers are made up of new businesses, including cryptocurrency exchanges. So 43%, almost half the advertisements are completely new companies. Almost half. It says on February 13th, we're going to hear some of the biggest names telling you to get into crypto. These big companies are going to be telling you to get into crypto, but do they know you or your finance? Or only you do? Trust yourself and do the research. The video was something of an ad run on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. What Butler was talking about is the fact that this year's Super Bowl will have as many cryptocurrency ads backed running through the play. Binance, of course, is one of the major advertisements this year. Take a look at the four. Here we go. We got Binance, we got FTX, Crypto.com, and BitBuy. Right here, BitBuy is going to be on there. Not only that, the Super Bowl halftime will have one of the greatest names in the music industry, Dr. Dre and Snoop Doggy Dogg and Eminem. Oh boy. It's going to be a pretty good thing. What's interesting that Eminem recently purchased a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT worth almost $500,000. Meanwhile, Snoop launched an NFT series in December comprising of both audio and video elements, an available auction on the Super Rare marketplace. Can the Super Bowl help the cryptoverse? Well, right here, everybody, Super Bowl or Crypto Bowl. It's going to be pretty big. I mean, yeah, Eminem did buy a $500,000 NFT Bored Ape. 43% of the advertisers are brand new businesses, and they're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, 4 different companies. I mean, that's pretty freaking awesome, everybody. Get ready for the Crypto Bowl. Crypto Bowl. Oh, boy. All right, over here, Crypto Bubbles here. Let's go to the top 100, and we're bouncing around a little bit here. So let's see if we can find the CRO somewhere. Do we see it anywhere? Doge. I don't know. Let's go right here, and we'll type it in here. CRO. There it is, crypto.com. Let's go ahead and like it. Oh, there it is to the right over here. Take a look here. Let's move it up here. We're moving it. Moving that bubble. See the CRO right there? Clicking it, and I did put it right there. I did put it right there in my favorites and stuff. Go over to my favorites now. The CRO is right there. It's okay, so here we go. For the week, it's up 4%. For the year, it's up 568%. For the day, it's up 5.3%. For the month, it's down about 10%. It's ranked 17. It's traded for 45 cents. Market cap is 11.42 billion. 24-hour volume is 149.73 million. It's got its low right here at 39 cents, and it's got its high at 45 cents. I just think the Crypto Bubbles is a nice platform that you can use. You can store your favorites on it. Pretty awesome stuff, everybody. All right, so we're probably going to be seeing all kinds of commercials. Let's give a little taste of what you may be seeing.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, you're probably going to be seeing something of some type of that. You may not see that one on the Super Bowl because they probably have their own special new one ready to be played for the Super Bowl, but that's just a little advertisement of what it's like. Going over to their website, that advertisement I just played, Fortune favors the brave, the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with your crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5%. Buy crypto at true cost. This is the one I like. The only card you will need. Enjoy 8% back on all spending with your sleek, pure metal, no annual fees, top of the fiat or currency. Choose your card. You click it. This is the only card you will need. No annual fee. And there you go. Pretty cool here. It's showing you all the different colors. Top up with your fiat or your crypto today. Get up to 8% spending back. Compare the cards, card benefits. Deposit crypto and earn your rewards today. Take a look at this. Get up to 14.5% on crypto. Get up to 14% back on stable coins. All right, what's our price prediction over here? Well, I always like to kind of show you this. What was this coin doing 3 months ago? 3 months ago, take a look. It got all the way to 89 cents. 89 cents was 3 months ago. And there was no Super Bowl commercials going on. And everybody on the planet who's watching the Super Bowl didn't get to see everything. Well, the coin's at 45 cents right now. I think it's going to go a lot higher than this in a week from now. I'm going to say 50 to 55 cents. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We could miss it by a long shot because there could be more and more people that have ever seen this on the Super Bowl. Now, this card right here, crypto.com, where you see it's at 45 cents. It could, I mean, literally when coins get listed, things go crazy. What happens when they get talked about on the Super Bowl, or what happens when it's the best commercial of the year? I don't know. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Crypto Bowl, Super Bowl. Tom Brady's probably getting into something. It's cryptocurrency. We got 4 different companies. 43% of the retailers are new advertisers this year for the Super Bowl. It's going to be a pretty good Super Bowl this year. By the way, Cincinnati Bengals against Los Angeles Rams, so it's going to be pretty good. Don't forget to click the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Have a great evening.